In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF in Gmail body, not attachment. Let's start with the simplest approach. Turning the PDF into images so the content appears right inside your email. Take your PDF and convert the pages you need into images. You can do this with a basic screenshot tool for quick grabs, or use a PDF to image converter if you want cleaner results. Choose whether you want just the first page for a cover style preview, or multiple pages if you want the whole document shown. Keeping the images clear but not too large will help your email load quickly. Now open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the toolbar of the email, click the Insert Photo icon. Upload the image or images you created. Once they appear in the body, click on them to resize if needed so everything looks balanced and readable. With this, your PDF's content is visually embedded right in the email body, making it easy for readers to scan without opening an attachment. If you'd rather let recipients view or download the full document, use a clickable preview link through Google Drive. First, upload the PDF to Google Drive, then right-click the file and choose Share. Change the permission so that anyone with the link can view and copy the link. Go back to Gmail, highlight the text you want to make clickable, choose Insert Link, and paste the Drive link. A simple line like, "Click here to view the PDF" works well. When recipients click, the PDF opens in their browser for an instant preview. For multi-page brochure-style emails, convert the PDF pages to images and place them one under another in the Gmail body. This creates a vertical, newsletter-like layout that works nicely for brochures, catalogs, flyers, or proposals. Just repeat the same insert photo process for each page image to build a clean, scrollable experience. Finally, if you need more design control, consider advanced email tools. Services like MailChimp or Brevo can help you create richer, embedded style layouts. Keep in mind that even these platforms typically link to PDFs externally rather than truly embedding the file itself, which is standard across most email clients for compatibility and security reasons. To recap, convert PDF pages to images and insert them for an in-body visual, add a Google Drive link for full preview access, stack multiple images for a newsletter look, or use a marketing tool for advanced design. Choose the option that best fits your content and audience, and you're set.